Hey, I'm Joe,
And I'm Karen,
and we're with M&M Income Tax Service, and we're back with another tax topic,
or tax tip.
and hopefully it's going to answer one of your questions today. Well, Karen, what's our topic today?
Why is the IRS holding my refund until after February 15th if I claim my children?
Whoa, why they would hold them until after February 15th? Karen, I can remember when they used to release them in January,
Yes.
and the last couple of years, yeah, they have actually been holding them. And you know why they're actually required to hold them, Karen?
No, Joe, tell us why.
It's the law. So, Karen, here's a statement from the IRS. So let's go ahead and go over this. As we actually make this what we call part of our desk manual. So if you've got questions on why they're holding it up, you can actually see that.
So basically, the IRS was holding refunds until February 15th or later when you claim children on your tax return. That's a new federal law that went into effect in 2015.
Absolutely. We call that the PATH Act, but again, it is law. And Section 201 of this new law mandates that no credit or refund for an overpayment for a taxable year shall be made to a taxpayer before February 15th if the taxpayer claimed what, Karen?
Earned income credit or additional child tax credit on the tax return.
Absolutely. And both the earned income credit and the additional child tax credit are related to children most of the time.
Yes.
So that's why if you claim children on the tax return, you can't get that refund until after February 15th.
But some of the key points are taxpayers should file and submit returns as normal.
Absolutely. And the IRS will accept and process tax returns as normal.
And again, the IRS cautions taxpayers that those refunds may not arrive until the week of February 27th.
Absolutely. In other words, I got to hold them by law till February 15th. So if there's any kind of delays in issuing refunds, you can be looking at February 27th, no problem.
Right. And despite the refund hold, the IRS expects most refunds to be released in less than 21 days.
Absolutely. Most refunds are released in that 21-day period. But again, if you file early, you might actually go beyond that just a little bit.
And keep in mind, Where's My Refund will not be updated until around February 15th.
Absolutely. We get tax clients calling in all the time, and where's my refund's not updating properly? And well, the whole reason is they're not going to update it till after February the 15th, and that's all we can really tell you.
So no information about affected tax returns are going to be available until that system updates.
Absolutely. And this whole law went into place, Karen, was to prevent fraud. In other words, they're trying to minimize fraud in the system. So the best way to do that, they figured out, and Congress figured out, hold all the refunds till after February 15th. Make sure nobody else has already claimed that Social Security number or that child.
Yes.
And then if it's clean, they're going to release those refunds at that point in time.
Well, Joe, that's our tax tip, our topic for the day.
Absolutely. And if you're in South Carolina, be sure to make an appointment or simply walk into one of our 36 locations.
And if that's not convenient for you, we can still help.
Simply visit our website and click on the Taxes Done for Anyone, Anywhere link. That's a link with our remote technology. It's as easy as taking a picture on your phone.
So add your questions and comments to our post and be sure to hit the like and share button.
Look for our answers to your questions in our upcoming segments.